Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Cali Cat? Say hi. What a good girl. What a good girl. Y'all, I got some BoxyCharms in the mail. I skipped one of those, mega Dropbox sales, and I was just like so sad because I missed all these deals, and so I couldn't do it again. I couldn't do it again. I have a box full of what I, deem as giveaway items, things that I've purchased specifically for y'all, duplicates, things like that. And my box was getting too empty, and I just couldn't have that. Y'all have to have items, and I get stuff for myself too. I gotta have products to try and show on the channel, right? That's what y'all come for, to see the products. So we're gonna open this up and see what is inside. And if you hear crumpling paper in the background, it is because there's a bunch of paper from where I just opened a habitation box, and Bonnie will probably be playing in it. And there's more paper to add to the pile. They love it. Y'all, look at this. I may have went a little overboard. Just a little bit. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna get my plant, or are you trying to get the box? Silly girl. You silly girl. Yes, you're a silly girl. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this I know I got for giveaway because I love doing these for giveaway. Y'all have seen me open this before. It's the LUXIE with the 4 brushes and a sponge inside of it. I'm not going to open it up. I want to keep it pristine for the giveaway. But it's in other boxes. You've seen it. I would get up and grab the stuff, but I think my brushes are dirty and they're scattered about at the moment. So we're just going to put this aside. I will tell you how much it's worth. Florals brush set, normally $40. I didn't pay $40 for them, but yeah, I gift a $40 brush set to y'all. Isn't that awesome? It comes with an eyeliner brush, a taper blending brush, an eye shading brush, and a concealer brush, and the detail sponge. It's a smaller sponge. It is great for getting like right in here. It's really good. Love the LUXIE products. I'll put down below what I actually paid for it. I couldn't resist. Y'all, I love some Huda Beauty, and I am so glad that Boxy has partnered with Huda so that I can get more Huda. Oh, these may have come in a set. Let me pull it up. I love Huda Beauty. I'm actually wearing Huda Beauty on my eyes today, the Khaki Palette. So I saw that they had these collections. You get a palette and an eyeliner. It's a $46 value. Like I said, I'll tell you below what I normally pay. The palette $27, the liner $19. This is the Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette in Gemstone. Look at those colors, y'all. Oh my goodness. I didn't have it, so I had to get it. Look at the colors. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. I'm just gonna grab a couple. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, just a couple. Just to give you a hint. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm in love. Normally, when I have extra money, I do buy these in doubles. I didn't this time, but let's look at this lip contour pencil. I needed some more lip contours. I'm having trouble finding the right colors to go with the right thing. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Matte Pencil in Muse. Look at that, y'all. I love these. Oh my goodness, that is perfect. Perfect for what I had been looking for. I'm so excited about that. So let's go to the next set. That was actually, it called it Brand BFFs number 9. And the other one was Brand BFFs number 8. And it comes with the lip contour in Heartbreaker. Like I said, $19 value. look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. That's pretty bright. I don't know, that's pretty bright. We'll have to see. And it come with the Obsession eyeshadow palette in Topaz, $27 value. Like I said, together $46 worth of value here. And I know I didn't pay that for it, y'all. I probably paid, at the most 12, if that. But I will pop it up on screen, put it down below, all that good stuff, so y'all will know that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Topaz Obsession. Y'all, orange is like the big thing when it's coming to shadows and stuff lately. Everybody's talking about orange. So I normally don't do orange, but I thought I would give it a try. Which ones do we want to swatch? Let's do these two. They feel so good. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try them. Brilliant, brilliant. Always an Optimist Base Illuminatrix. Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. A weightless universal gel primer enriched with ultra fine pearls for a lit from within glow. This is Rare Beauty. That's why I got it. Rare Beauty. Oh, I did not see this on my list, but I'm glad I got it. And I'm going to open it up because, oh, I do like an illuminator, and I have been wanting to try some Rare Beauty stuff. Rare Beauty. Let's just see. Try to see what it looks like. No, not the best smell. But wow. Okay. Can y'all see the shine? I mean, look at the difference. That's some shine right there. Wow. Okay. Impressed. Look at my finger. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I'm gonna, whoo, hang on. Laptop's just sliding. I'm too impressed. It's going crazy around here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'll tell you any information I can find later about that. The next two things on here, y'all, look at this. Look at these. They're huge. Wow. Okay. So I like Pure Lease. I saw they were on there. I thought I'd give them a try. This is coconut oil and silk body butter. Y'all know I am obsessed with the body butter. I'm obsessed with the body butters, the body lotions, hand creams, the lotions and potions. I love them. I am constantly. This one, coconut oil and cranberry. Smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. It is for all skin types. Cranberry. Retail value of $24. I know I didn't pay that. It's sealed. I'm gonna have to open it. Just have to. I gotta smell it. Gotta smell it. All right, a very light scent. I was expecting a lot more cranberry to it, but not bad. That's not bad. This one is coconut oil and Plumeria silk body butter. Smooths, hydrates, and nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. $24 value. Y'all, I'll go through it. I will. There's no even doubt in my mind how fast I'll go through it. That one has a little more of a floral scent, but it's nice. If you put that on and went out, somebody would think you had perfume on if they smelled it. So very nice. Like those. Feel like I am all about the hands today. I'm excited. I'm too excited. Okay, so I got this in a box before. I tried it a couple times. I was like, meh. Well, one of y'all said something to me about how much they loved it. So I dipped back into it and I fell in love with it. And I also fell in love with the entire brand of Glow Recipe. I have been using it like crazy. So I thought I'd grab another bottle of this because mine is completely out. This is the Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream Calming and Hydrating. Yes, please. This is normally a $39 value, and the bottle is so cute. Y'all actually kept it, and right now I'm keeping glitter in it. But yeah, I reuse everything. No, Callie, do not knock my laptop out of my lap, please. Hey, Glow Gang. Indulge skin with this fruity fresh banana infused treat. Clean, cruelty free, vegan, free of dyes and synthetic fragrances. She couldn't figure out how to get down. I had to move. Yes, that's my kids for you. So look at the cuteness of the bottle. This stuff does smell really good, and it does feel really good on. Oh. Yes, banana, please. I'm so glad that y'all, you know, you have no idea how much y'all help me. I might try something and just think, oh, it's just okay. Y'all tell me go back, do it again, you know, try it more, and I found out I love something. That's amazing to me. I love that. Thank you. So they're having a sale on their Spongellas. This is the Buy More, Save More. This is a $64 value, y'all. These 4 Spongelles. This is, I think they're more winter related. Sugar plum. Oh, that's nice. Love that. $16 a piece is what they're worth. Cinnamon and honey. Oh my goodness, that is brilliant. I love that. Did I show you sugar plum up close? These are the flower ones, by the way. They're shaped like a flower. Autumn Bloom. Yeah, okay, not my favorite, but I still like it. Winter Rose. Very faint smell, but nice. Oh, I love these. I'm trying to decide which one was my favorite. I think Sugar Plum's my favorite. Yes. Oh, love it. I love these. And I probably paid like $2 a piece for them. Maybe $5. I'm not real sure, but I'll tell you below. This is a Complete Culture, I think. Yes, Complete Culture. All right, this was part of a set. The Perfect Pair set with this. So this set together is worth $83. This is Complete Culture Overtime Contour and Blush Duo Powder Player Pink Slip. You know, I wasn't sure about this brand at first, but I have been using it a little more and I have been enjoying it. Don't know if I'm going to use this particular one or not. I think I got this for y'all. But what is this? It says Swipe Powder Player Contour Powder under cheekbones for sculpting definition, or swirl pink blush on your apple of your cheeks for a flush of color. Okay, it shows you different places you can put your blush. There is a mirror. There we go. Look at the prettiness. Oh my goodness. Like I said, I'm not going to swatch it because I haven't decided if I'm keeping it or not. But nice palette. Nice little blush and contour palette. I'm kind of gone towards the cream contours myself, but I couldn't resist getting this. Y'all will remember this, I'm sure, from previous boxies. A lot of people have been getting it once they figured out how awesome it was. This is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette, and you remember everybody was just like meh and looking at the big dark spot here, and then when they swatched it they found out it was this beautiful blue color. So this is also going to be in a giveaway in the future because I have one and I love it. Natasha Denona palettes are so good, so this I'm keeping for y'all, and it is a $48 palette, by the way. The Complex Culture is a $35 palette. And I see Smashbox. I had heard a lot about Smashbox. I kept thinking I was going to try Smashbox, and then I kept putting it off because it is a little more on the high-end brands. I got a primer, And I do like it. I actually used a little bit of it just on my cheeks to green correct, or red, you know, take the red away. But this is the Smashbox Cover Shot Golden Hour Eye Palette. And it's a $29 value. Very cute packaging. See, that's the thing about Boxy, is it's a great way to try things without paying full price. And look at the lovely colors. So dope, Heard, Lights, Hotline, Turn On, Psycho, Red, Rockstar, and Stare. Oh, those are pretty. It looks like these are all shimmers and these two are mattes. Interesting. Okay, yeah, I'm probably gonna play with this because, like I said, I just want to give the brand a shot. $29. And the last thing is this Per Defense. Is that Defense? Yes, Defense. And I've got more stuff. I've got more stuff coming, y'all. Was this a pair? Yes, I actually got this as a pair with those brushes. They had it like in a bundle. $74 value. This is the Per Defense 12-piece anti-pollution eyeshadow palette, a $34 value. It is heavy, y'all. It is heavy, heavy, heavy. My goodness. Get rid of that. That thing's getting on my nerves. Look at this, y'all. It's so heavy. Can y'all see the smoke in the background? There we go. Shifting. That is cool. Must open palette. Okay, here we go. Per Defense. Move this. Look at that, y'all. I know it's shining. I'm trying not to, but the ring light, the evil light. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. Top row is matte. Everything else is either a, you know, sparkly shimmer, some kind of something or other. Beautiful. I might have to play with this one too. Yeah, I'm greedy. I was sitting here thinking, I'm keeping more than I'm giving. This is bad. Shame on me. Oh my goodness. Y'all, what did you think of my haul? What did you like? What did you not like? What brands do you prefer? What brands do you want to see in giveaways? Anything like that, y'all comment below and tell me. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to me is free. And then you get to keep up with what's on the channel. You can push the notification bell. It'll give you a little chime, a little notification when I'm doing something, posting a new video, putting something on community, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to share with your friends. Let's grow the channel. Y'all, thank you so very much for spending time with me. Have a wonderful day. I'm gonna go play with some makeup. Y'all, God bless.